If you're starting a business in California, one of the key steps is getting the right licenses and permits. Here's how to approach it. Before you begin, it helps to have a business plan in place. This doesn't need to be complicated, but you'll want a clear idea of your product or service, how you'll market it, and where you'll operate. A good plan also helps you figure out costs and funding before you take the next steps. Once you've outlined your idea, decide on a location. Some businesses can run from home, while others need commercial space. If you're not sure where to set up, the state's GoBiz office can connect you with resources and site selection services. The next step is choosing a business structure. In California, you can register as a sole proprietor, partnership, LLC, or corporation. The structure you pick affects your taxes, liability, and paperwork, so it's worth spending time on this decision. After that, take care of your tax requirements. Most businesses need a Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. Depending on your setup, you may also need to register with the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration for state tax accounts. Finally, check what licenses or permits your business needs. California doesn't issue one general statewide license for every business. Instead, requirements depend on your industry and location. For example, restaurants need health permits, contractors need special state licenses, and many cities require a local business tax certificate. The state's Cal Gold website is a good place to search for exactly what applies to your business. Once you've completed these steps, plan, location, structure, tax registration, and licenses, you'll be ready to legally open your doors in California.